My name is Hannah Haider from Nilufer Girls High School. My project is called Smart Stick for the Blind People. What's Smart Stick? Smart Stick it's used for identify the thing in front of the blind that he doesn't know what is it. What does the Smart Stick contain? Smart Stick contain a camera which is 180 views. Why 180 views? Because it should scan only the front, not behind. It also contain a speaker, a button, and also a stick. So, how does it work? For example, there's a notebook on the front of the blind that he doesn't know where the notebook is. So he'll bring the stick and click the button, and the button will give a sign to the camera, and camera start to scan the notebook. After it's finished scanning, the camera will give a sign to the speaker, and speaker it will say that's a notebook. So of course the blind, he doesn't know what a notebook is. So the speaker will explain what is a notebook. It will say, for example, it's a paper that the people can write on it. So that's my project for identifying the thing in front of the blind that he doesn't know what is it.